R.I.P. candy corn. R.I.P. This is a lovely mess that I need to clean up. Thanks to this one and this one. What do you have to say for yourself, girls? That's what I thought. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober, day number 6. Today is September 29th. I took a couple of days off vlogging, mainly because I needed to get caught up on editing everything. I think I'd already filmed all 5 videos. So I just needed to get caught up on editing all of those. So those are done. I just have to schedule, upload them. So it feels pretty good to have 5 videos already ready to go for Vlogtober, and it's not even October yet. So that is exciting. Today I would like to film, edit, and upload the new release video. I only have 2 kits. I didn't design any this week. I was supposed to, and I just worked on editing the photos to get those done. So I only have 2 new kits going up this week, but I want to film, edit, and upload the new release video for that. Prep the emails to go out tomorrow, do the listings. I need to film a plan with me. I need to schedule all of the Vlogtober vlogs, and then I also need to clean my house. So that's what's up. So the first thing that I'm doing, I'll show you guys. I'm very excited about this, so I'll share it with you. So I've got some clear sticker paper that I'm going to be testing out, and so I just went ahead and did all of the fonts for my plans for last week because I'm memory planning. So I'm very excited about that. I've got to get the clear paper and print on it, obviously, and then figure out new cut settings, which should be interesting. But I'm pretty excited that I don't have to write anything in my planner. And I've been seeing other people do this, and I'm like, this is such a good idea. Then you never have to use your ugly handwriting, if you're not happy with your handwriting. So anyway, so I have all of those done. I'm going to add, these over here are just things that I know I'll need for the next week, and I don't want to waste paper. So I'm going to try to lay this out a little bit better where you're not really wasting any space. But that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to print and cut those, obviously. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can figure out the cut settings pretty quickly. But because it's a new paper, I don't know. One of those fun things about running a shop is different paper requires different settings, and you have to learn something new, and it's just I don't like doing that. I like to just know what I'm doing, but I know this is part of it. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this so that way I can film the new release, or film the plan with me. Because if I can get this stuff, if I can get everything filmed, the rest of it should be pretty easy. Uploading vlogs won't take that long because they're already done. I just have to upload them. And then cleaning the house will be the worst of it, but it's fine. I just need to clean, look at this mess. Look at this mess that these dogs have made, And this one's crying. She wants to go outside. So I need to do that. And then we will get back to the sticker related stuff. So I finished the scripts. I tried to add a bunch design stickers, listing photos. Those are things that I'm putting in my planner all the time. So I just went ahead and made extra. So this is not everything that's going in my planner this week. That would be insane. But there are a lot of things going in my planner. So yeah, I have the clear paper in there. Ooh, the lighting. So I have the clear paper in there, so it's going to print, and I'll share that with you guys. Also, we got our clear paper printed off, so I need to work on cutting that, which I'm very nervous about. It's fine. I just don't know the settings I need for this, and I don't want to cut them. I don't want to screw them up, but let's cut them. Let's test them together. We are testing clear sticker paper. Figure out our cut settings because I have no idea. No idea. Hi. Okay, so, well, that was a fun little test. I hate that I had to waste a whole sheet of paper, but the good news is I think I found a setting that will work. So, now we can finally cut this sheet. Well, this was a fail. I thought I had the right settings. Gonna have to play around with this. It's so frustrating though because I can't sell them until I can figure this out. Try to get these where I can put them on this reusable sticker book and at least be able to use them for my plan with me. And then we will go from there. But yeah, this is a frustrating part of like adding a new product. But it is what it is. Okay guys, I finally finished putting all the scripts on here. We did have a few of them that kind of had a moment. Apparently I got some water on them from just drinking my coffee and like the water on the cup. So that was unfortunate. Thankfully I had a replacement for one of them, but not the other one. But it's fine. We're just not going to put that in the planner this week. And I'm currently finishing cutting the doodles and cutting the rest of this kit that I'm planning on using for this week. So yeah, fingers crossed after lunch I can actually get this video filmed. I think I'm just moving in slow motion today. Everything is taking 10 times longer and I'm just like, ugh, I hate when that happens. It's just like so frustrating because you feel like you're not actually accomplishing anything. That's me today. I feel like I'm accomplishing nothing today, but it's fine. So I actually took a few things off of my to-do list, and the other things I'm going to try to do after I film. Once I film, I just need to edit, and then I need to upload all the videos for Vlogtober that I have done so far. I need to do listings and emails, and then I'm calling that good as far as work today. And then I'm going to clean the house, but I'm probably just going to clean the house while I'm cooking dinner. Like, you know, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm so annoyed at how like in slow motion I'm going today. I don't know what the problem is. Anyway, so that is the update. At least I got the scripts done. Still got to figure out this clear sticker paper, which I will get it figured out eventually. But I hate that like I thought I had it figured out. Like the settings worked on the other sheet, but then when it came down to like just the, you know what I'm saying, the scripts and the small little, like, why did it have to happen with like this sheet of a million scripts? You know what I'm saying? I don't have all of them off of here or off of the cutting mat, but I was just like, we'll save that for another time. I'm not feeling like sitting here all day doing that. So yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm going to continue cutting. I'm actually going to get something to eat because I'm hungry, and then hopefully after all that we can actually film this video and get it done. Guys, update. I put a hoodie on because I am a little chilled. It's not cold, but because we're getting like all this wind and stuff, I think from the hurricane, which apparently like is supposed to go right over the top of us, where we are in North Carolina. Obviously it won't be a hurricane at that point, but it's still going to dump like a ton of rain. And I think it said we could have wind 35 miles per hour. So it's definitely decreased a lot, or it will have, but it's still bringing in like a lot of not so great weather, and probably gonna have some tornadoes around here, and it's not gonna be fun. Obviously it's not nearly as bad as like what Florida has experienced, and the pictures and everything just make me so sad. So if you are in Florida or were affected in other parts of the country, like I know that South Carolina is about to get hit with it, and it like went into the Atlantic, and now it's like gaining strength and becoming a hurricane again, and it's gonna hit South Carolina, and it's just, or that's where it's projected to hit. It's just, I hate hurricanes, and I hate hurricane season, and just all of it. But anyway, all that to say that it's like really windy outside and making it feel a little cold. It's definitely pushed in a cold front because of the storm. So yeah. All right, guys, it is almost 10 o'clock and we just got home. We had like the church thing, and then we ran out and got some gas for our generator. We filled up my car with gas as well. We also got a few things from the grocery store that we can have in case we do lose power. Obviously we have a generator and whatever, but just in case, having some like fun food, some snacks or whatever, just in case. So that's what we did. We just got home. Obviously I did not clean, but it's okay. Tomorrow it is going to pour all day long, so we can clean tomorrow. Get it done. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here, to be honest. I'm not even gonna do a grocery haul. I'm just gonna put this stuff away, chill for the rest of the night, prep for the storm. It's getting super windy out there, and the rain is supposed to start, I think, at 5 a.m. So we're just gonna be prepared. Hopefully it won't be too bad here. And honestly, hopefully that stupid thing just like turns in the ocean and leaves. Doesn't hit South Carolina, because it's already done enough in Florida. But yeah, just hopefully it won't be too bad, and it'll, you know, I definitely don't think it'll be that bad here, just windy and very rainy. And we'll probably have a big lake in the back of our yard because our yard doesn't drain well, so that's fun, but it could be so much worse. So all right, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for another fun day of Vlogtober, of whatever we want to do on a rainy day, I guess. Hopefully we don't lose power. I don't know. We'll figure out what happens tomorrow, but I'll see you guys then. Bye.